classic point and click. Howdy, folks. In our previous episode, we nailed down the reflective cursor behavior like a pro. In today's episode, we're gonna tackle a critical aspect of optimizing and encapsulating our scripts to the next level by diving deep into sealed classes. Let's get cracking. To keep things simple, sealing a class means making sure it can't be inherited by any other scripts. It's like putting a lock on it, ensuring its integrity and preventing any unwanted modifications or extensions. While I was sealing up them classes, I reckon I done noticed I could fancy up me reflective cursor script a bit. Everything ought to work just like before, and maybe even better. That's all for this here episode, folks. In the Reckoning episode, we gonna broaden our marker and rustle up a destination marker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Your support is greatly appreciated as it helps me grow and create more content for you. Much obliged, partner. Best of luck to y'all.